All right, welcome back. I finally bought myself a kayak, but there's one catch to it. The catch is I got it for $100. It's a Field and Stream. But the reason I got it for $100 is because there's a huge crack in it. So here's the crack from there to there. So I'd say it's probably 10 to 12 inches long. So I got some materials we're gonna use to try and fix it. So the first thing I bought are these poly welder refills. I'm gonna melt it down and fill that crack. Second thing I bought was this little Dremel kit. So this kit I'm gonna use because the plastic where it's broke, it overlaps a little bit. So I'm gonna use this with a cutting wheel to cut that off and straight so that way there's no overlapping. The third thing I bought to fix it is a metal weld or a plastic welding kit. So it heats up these little ribs, melts it into it, holds it together. And then we will use a soldering iron with this flat tip on it to melt it and smooth it all out. If all goes to plan, this is gonna be a 100% functional kayak. Let's get to it. All right, so I just ground down the rough spots. I use an angle grinder. So now the next step is to fill all this in. Let's get to it. Because this thing's heating up.